Las Vegas News Strip presents your Las Vegas weather facts and forecast. Tonight clear, with a low around 40. West-southwest wind around 6 miles per hour. Sunday sunny, with a high near 66. West wind around 6 miles per hour becoming north in the morning. Sunday night mostly clear, with a low around 42. West-southwest wind 5 to 8 miles per hour. Monday sunny, with a high near 64. Light and variable wind. Monday night clear, with a low around 40. West wind around 6 miles per hour. Tuesday sunny, with a high near 65. Tuesday night clear, with a low around 42. Wednesday sunny, with a high near 61. Wednesday night clear, with a low around 39. Thursday sunny, with a high near 61. Thursday night clear, with a low around 40. Friday sunny, with a high near 62. Friday night mostly clear, with a low around 41. Saturday sunny, with a high near 63. More info is available via LasVegasNewsstrip.com.